Hello, Saad.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Fantastic. So here we are at Embedded World. The show has been super happening, I feel like, this year, and tons of activity and great new announcements. And I have the pleasure of interviewing you today about your company. So can you tell us about your company and about Spectro Cloud and a little bit about why you decided to start it? Maybe
Sure.
do an introduction.
Sure, absolutely. So thank you for inviting me to interview here as well too. My name is Saad Malik, CTO and co-founder of Spectro Cloud. So Spectro Cloud is really, the basis is to provide Kubernetes management. Right, more and more organizations around the world are building containerized applications, which is now being powered by Kubernetes as a platform. And so our goal at Spectro Cloud is to really provide that multi-cluster management at scale. You know, whether you're running applications inside of public clouds, private cloud, data centers, bare metal, and of course at Embedded World, all about edge and edge AI side.
Can you tell us a bit about the use case that you're showing at the show and how does it connect to Qualcomm technology?
Sure, absolutely. So Qualcomm is very quickly becoming the leader in edge computing itself. If you look at all the various platforms coming out today, it's phenomenal the capabilities you're providing at a general compute purpose. Now, the modern application development lifecycle today is all built using something called containers. Containers is a packaging format that allows you to build your applications and your binaries in a single dependency. Now, Kubernetes is becoming the de facto container orchestrator for container technologies. And so what we wanted to do was partner with Qualcomm to really provide the best of breed technologies at the edge with containers and Kubernetes technologies together. And so specifically, we're working on Qualcomm processors, specifically the 6490 powered by the RB3 boxes, and leveraging the Hexagon Tensor Processor for AI workloads. Traditionally, AI itself was all about doing training and inferencing in the cloud, but the next generation of actual inferencing is all inside edge environments, and the Hexagon Tensor Processor allows you to do inferencing directly at wherever you may be.
When you think about Qualcomm and IoT and the technology that you've chosen, why did you choose Qualcomm over the competition?
Yeah, I think that, looking across the different competition, we have integration with other platform vendors as well too. But the biggest differentiator for Qualcomm was the speed at which we're able to make the integration available and the actual richness of the ecosystem as well too. The documentations, the support, and SDKs that Qualcomm had was phenomenal. Very quickly, within weeks, sometimes even hours, we got a POC up and running across all the various Qualcomm hardware. And of course, the variety of different hardware accelerators that really enables to use AI technologies, at the edge, video processing, analytics. Everything was built in with Qualcomm products.
How do you think our technology is going to evolve over the next couple of years? So we've seen a ton of acceleration already happening this year so quickly, as you mentioned.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen in the next couple of years?
Yeah, I think we're going to see more experiences directly at the edge. I mean, I was just reading a report that until 1990, there was 2 exabytes of data that was generated ever since the beginning of human history. Today, every single day, we generate 2 exabytes of data on a single daily basis. It's just incredible.
Incredible.
We're going to see the rate of data being collected and analyzed and being converged significantly grow over the next 10 years or so. So the rate of data is going to be increasing at the different edge environments. More processing is going to be needed. And I think better experiences, in terms of providing better user experiences, customizations are also going to be provided as well too. I think providing support for large language models, inferencing, maybe even federated training, would be some of the areas that I think was going to be definitely changing. So
I think one of the things you hit on is just the growth in both the technology that we're going to be utilizing, but also the scale that's going to get impacted. So we have been making a lot of inroads into creating an environment where it's easier to scale this technology and easier to implement and create quicker time to market. So you're going to continue to see a lot of that from Qualcomm. And I'd love to invite everyone to go to our Qualcomm Developer Network on Qualcomm.com, where we have a ton of the types of things you're mentioning, whether it's documentation, demos, different samples that are going to be there and use cases for everyone. So I look forward to doing more work in partnership with you in the future and welcome everyone to check us out on Qualcomm.com.
Yeah.